Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. It's bright and sunny here in Chandigarh, and today's video is all about my car, my Skoda Rapid. So today I'm going to add a few tweaks to my car, a few VCDS tweaks. So if you guys don't know what VCDS tweaks are, stick to the video, I'll explain. And secondly, we are going to install this, and this is an OEM reverse camera for my car. So yes, that's the plan for today. And right now I'm on my way to pick up Vipul, and then we'll meet Prerak, the guy who is going to do the magic, do the tweaks for my car. And yes, but before that, I think I have to go to a petrol station because my car is low on fuel. And let's find a petrol station and fuel up, and we'll pick Vipul, and then we'll go see Prerak. Done with the fuel, half a tank, good to go. So if we talk about the average, the fuel economy on my car, it is giving me around 8 or 9, not 8, but around 9, between 9 and 10 in the city, and on the highways I think it is near about 15 maybe. Yep. And just like that, Mr. Vipul is here.
Hi guys.
And we are going to unbox this. Hold this.
Yeah. The little gift box. The box of happiness. The first box of happiness.
And many more to come.
Many more to come.
Probably bigger than this one.
One eternity later.
And here it is.
Ta-ta!
Friends.
Hello friends. The Amazon वाली packing थी भाई की. Whoa.
So this is the reverse camera. And कैसे लगेगा ये? ऐसे लगेगा यार? नहीं
ऐसे लगेगा
ऐसे लगेगा. ये बटन है ना उसका.
ओह,
ये ऐसे लगेगा.
so डिक्की भी फंक्शनल है इसके साथ.
हाँ. So this is the reverse camera, and we will install it
पता नहीं
later
कैसे.
in the day. But yup. And a huge thanks to Veg Planet on Instagram for sourcing this camera for me
At a good price.
at a very good price. And yes, so the unboxing is done, and it's time to meet Prerak. And we are here. Say hi, Prerak.
Hey.
So he has already plugged in his system into the OBD tool, and he is using the VCDS program to enable a few features that are already on my car but are not enabled yet. But here we are. So we just disabled the speed warning beep that is activated on all the BS6 cars, and we are testing it. So the annoying beep is not there anymore.
And the MID is activated above 80 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, वो भी 80 पे जाके stuck करता था पहले. And we are done with the tweaks. It's time to show you guys all of the tweaks that we have done to this car. First of all, the needle sweep. Wow. So yes, we are done with the VCDS tweaks. So basically the VCDS tweaks are the VCDS is a software which is compatible with the VAG cars, Volkswagen Audi Group cars, and through which you can customize a few features which are already there in your vehicle but are not activated through the company because of the restrictions and the regulations, like the BS6 regulations. But if you have the VCDS software, which is not common, it is mostly available at the dealerships only. And but I have done to my car is the needle swipe, which I have showed you. Then I have activated the reverse camera for my car, because after the installation you have to activate the reverse camera, otherwise it will show you a warning of camera not found. So you have to enable it before installing it or after installing it. Other than that, I have removed the speed warning. So basically in all the BS6 vehicles you have this annoying beep every time you go above the 80 kmph barrier, but now if I push the car, there is no beep at all. One more thing I have activated is the emergency hazards on braking. So basically when you hard brake, or the hazards will turn on. Basically it is a safety feature. Suppose you are going above 80 kmph and you suddenly have to brake, so the car behind you is notified that you are braking hard, so he'll brake accordingly. Plus it looks good. That is the main reason I have activated that feature. And yes, these are all the things that I have activated, and I'll put all of the contact details of Prerak, and if any of you is interested in getting your car tweaked, you can contact him directly. And now it's time to install my reverse camera. So yes, and we are here at Car Life Customs to get my reverse camera installed. So basically the reverse camera will replace this thing, the boot opener. So this whole thing will replace this, and then you just have to attach all the wires inside and we are good to go. And this thing is out and the new thing is going in now. And just like that,
30 minutes later.
and just like that, my new OEM reverse camera is installed now, as you guys can see. So this is the camera, and if we go inside and put it in reverse, there you go. So guys, that was it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the tweaks and the small things which I have done to my car. And if we talk about all the other mods that I have been planning for my car, so first of all, I wanted to get an aftermarket steering wheel with the paddle shifter. As you guys can see, this one is not equipped with the paddle shifters, but overall look of the steering is impressive. The grip and the flat bottom steering looks amazing, and I don't want to change the steering wheel to the carbon fiber ones, because I personally love this steering wheel. So I'm currently looking for an OEM steering wheel which I can fit directly onto my car, and nothing else is planned as of now for the interior. And from the outside, the lowering springs hopefully are coming very soon for the car, because from the front it looks okayish, but from the back it looks like an SUV to me. Other than that, I'll get an air intake for my car and get it remapped to stage 1. Hopefully someday stage 2 with a decade downpipe. I won't get a exhaust system for this car, because I haven't found any good exhaust system with which produces great sound. So I'll stick to the downpipe only. I'll get a performance downpipe, decade downpipe, and then I'll remap the car to stage 2. And because this car is automatic, I have to get the TCU map as well for the transmission, both stage 1 and stage 2. And so yes, these are the plans, these are the performance mods I have in my mind. And other than that, I'll change this chrome grille to black. So every time I plan to wrap my roof to the black color, it looks more and more better with the silver color. I don't know, it's really confusing for me, and I have already sourced these ORVM caps from the dealership, so I'll get them repainted to black, and I'll change this grill to black, and then maybe for a week or two I'll get the roof wrapped in black. But yes, these are the plans as of now with the car, and very soon I'm going to make all the changes, make all the modifications to my car one by one, and I'll make videos, I'll make episodes for each and every mod. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.